It's my pleasure to go across to the man of the moment, PR Srijesh. The wall of Indian hockey is joining us straight from Paris. Srijesh, so nice to talk to you. And it's a double medal for
Okay.
you. You're a double medalist. Who would have thought that Indian hockey team will see the days again where you win consecutive medals at the Olympics? What does this moment mean for you, Srijesh?
It's a dream. Definitely, it's a dream because when I was a kid, when I started hockey, I only heard about all this rich history of Indian hockey, the medals we got in Olympics, and all those big stories. But I never seen any such a thing in front of my eyes. But today, when I achieved it, I think we started a new journey for the young generation.
Yeah.
The people who wanted to pick up hockey sticks and start this game. I think we showed them a new path and telling them that, guys, Indian hockey going to Olympics, to participate to win a medal.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm going to come back on the significance of this. But Srijesh, you're also the man of the moment because the IOA has asked you to be the flag bearer with Manu Bhakar for the closing ceremony. What does that honor mean for you?
See, I mean, it's a great platform. It's a festival of world, and you you are you are intended to carry the flag. It's in the closing ceremony. That's a great honor. But I always felt it like Neeraj is the right person to carry it because he's like my little brother, and I do have a very special space for him in my heart. But then he said, "Sribai, aap hi hai." Then I think it's a great honor for me.
No, it's so nice to see this camaraderie between both of you because PT Usha spoke to him and obviously needed him to concede that spot to you. And Neeraj said that even if he was not asked, then he would have still wanted Shri Bhai to do it. So, what were the words exchanged between you two?
See, I mean, we always greet each other with bhai. That's I don't know. I do have a special respect for him as a person, as an athlete, as a sports person, and as a human being. He's really down to earth, and that is what make him unique. And it's always great to see him. And whenever I meet him, I say, "Bhai, एक hug दे दो यार, क्योंकि तू जब hug करता है ना, हमेशा एक positive energy मिलता है." And that's what the relation is all about between us.
Well, wonderful, wonderful. Well, Neeraj has done his part. You have done your part. You know, I remember
Yes.
that visual of you bowing down to your helmet, to your gloves, to your gear, and the goal. And that signifies your, I think it signifies your entire career and the dedication with which you have worked. Just tell me
Yeah.
about that moment because that was your last match and you really stood like a wall for India yet again.
See, it's been 24 years I'm playing this game, this beautiful game, and I'm seriously telling I don't know about the outside world. I don't know what I'm going to do next. I don't know what is the real world is. So I just want to thank my. I mean, definitely the goalpost and my equipments are there with me every time. We do have a emotional connection in between because on the hockey field, the goalkeepers plays a different role. You play hockey, but still the goalkeepers are playing hockey with more mind, more emotions. So I do have some special connection with these two. I mean, my equipments and my
Yes,
goalpost. So
yes.
I just want to say thank you to them for being with me, there for me, supported me, and yeah, that's it. That's our emotional feelings.
Absolutely. That's the dedication, the devotion that comes through to the equipment that you use. But your teammates also had you on their shoulders. Last time
Yeah.
around, you sat on the goalpost, I remember. This time, you sat on the shoulders of your teammates.
See, this is a great dreaming send off. I think eh, I saw this in with Sachin Tendulkar when he won the World Cup and the entire team carried him. And
Yes.
today, when I won this bronze medal, the captain Harman carried me on his shoulder. This is the best way to say goodbye to this beautiful game. And I'm not greedy. I should not say this. Nothing else can, fulfill this moment. And
Yeah.
this is the best way to say goodbye to this beautiful game.